Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching and talking about the new Holo Taco 4th anniversary collection of 2023. This one is actually called the Retro Collection. It contains 5 really gorgeous, bright, jelly formulated polishes. They contain holographic glitter. They are quite buildable. I can already blur that out right here. Usually I am loving opaque manicures, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and just step out of the box a little bit and just really try to enjoy jelly-like formulas. So yeah, that's what I will be doing during this swatch and review as well. And let's just see how many coats I will use and actually need for me to like my manicure. So yeah, I'm just going to apply all 5 colors to my own nails. As you might have noticed, I have shortened my nails drastically. I actually still have a little bit of a shorter nail on the pointer finger because it broke in my nail bed. It was like a big messy bloody tear. I talk about it more in my previous video, or if you follow me on Instagram you will know more about it anyway. But yeah, I'm just growing that one out, so bear with me. Just in a couple of weeks, maybe 2 months, they will all be the same length again. So yeah, let's just start off with the first color. This one is called Be Kind Rewind. It is just a really lovely blue jelly polish. Once again, all of the polishes from this collection have a jelly formula and a really beautiful holographic glitter in there. It isn't like a super chunky glitter, so these are actually still quite easy to remove with just a little bit of nail polish remover and a cotton round. I didn't need to really soak these off. I could just grab a little bit of remover and just wipe it off really easily. Of course, the more layers you will apply, the more glitter there will be on the nail, so the more of a hassle it will be to remove these polishes. But because the glitter is quite finely milled, I didn't have a lot of issues with that. So this is the first coat already. I think it's quite pretty. These polishes do dry kind of matte looking, so if you're like me and you like a glossy finish to your manicure, you can always just go in with a glossy top coat afterwards. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be the exact same brand as Holo Taco. You can just use any glossy one that works for you. But yeah, this is the second coat already and I was really impressed with how opaque and how easy this one was to really build up in color. You can definitely go for a third coat if you want it to be completely opaque, but as I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm actually stepping out of my comfort zone and just really trying this jelly kind of trend that's going on. Still, 2 coats is quite opaque in my opinion, but yeah, I'm trying my best here, people, bear with me. Then the second color is actually my favorite from this collection. It is called Life in Plastic, and of course this gets into the whole Barbie era that's going on right now, Barbies everywhere, as I mentioned in my previous video as well. So yeah, it's a really gorgeous Barbie pink color. It just screams 90s Barbie outfit, especially with the glitter. It just reminds me of so many of my own personal Barbie collection items. Oh, I love this color. And again, the first coat I still quite cheer. It's not that bad, to be honest, but I could see I could still see the tear that is actually in my nail that I'm growing out. So yeah, I wanted it to be a little bit more opaque and just went in with the second layer. And you definitely don't need a lot of product on your brush. Sometimes with jelly formulas or even regular glitter polishes, you need a lot of product to really have a nice even effect and have glitter all over evenly on the nail. I didn't have any issues with this specific nail polish collection. I'm really happy about that, which means that I will actually be grabbing these polishes a little more often than I would if they were a little bit more sparsely across the nail, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so far I'm really impressed with the colors. I'm really happy with that pink tone. It is definitely my favorite from this collection, but then again, all 5 colors are really gorgeous and kind of work together really well too. Then this third color is called High Def. I have to say, I think this is my least favorite color, but I think it mostly has to do because it's like one of those marker yellow kind of colors that has a little bit of a tinge of green to it, or at least that's how I see this tone. Yellows, I don't know, like especially really bright yellows like these tend to be a little bit more sheer already, like apart from this specific collection being jelly formulated. But yeah, I don't know. There's just something about this color that's just not really my thing. But then again, of course, I will be swatching this one with 2 coats as well, because I really wasn't disappointed by the coverage of the second coat. I do feel like, because this is such a light, like vibrant neon color, and it is a yellow and a little bit more sheer, it definitely would need a third coat to match up with the other colors from this collection. Same goes for the final orange one, by the way. Now I'm looking at my nails, like recording this voiceover like 10 minutes after recording the footage for this video. I feel like the yellow and the orange tone are mostly like the most sheer with 2 coats from this collection, and it just has to do because they are so neon and so bright and just a little bit sheer to start with. But yeah, the next color is called Anti-Hero or Anti-Hero. I don't really know how to pronounce that in English. As you guys know, I'm Dutch. I'm not, like, English isn't my mother tongue. Let's just put it at that. But Anti-Hero, I don't know. It's a really gorgeous purple color. I really thought it would have been more sheer, or not more sheer. I really wanted to say that I really thought it would be less sheer with the first coat, because it is quite like a medium purple, more dark tone than the other colors. I really expected it to be more opaque, just like the first coat of the Life in Plastic pink one. But then again, the second coat really didn't disappoint me either. Once again, keep in mind that these polishes are a jelly formula, so they are actually made to like keep kind of sheer, but not super sheer, if you know what I mean. These polishes, in my opinion, really have a good, like, how do you say that in English? I really have to think about my words today. I'm kind of like brain fogged. They kind of have like a great consistency when it comes to a jelly, because usually if I see like the word jelly on a collection or on any random nail polish bottle, I stay away from it like miles. I'm just really more of a super opaque loving manicure kind of girl. So yeah, I was just really happy with these colors and polishes and the whole like consistency formula and so on. So yeah, I think I'm really stepping like full on out of my like comfort zone by actually really trying to see the positive sides to these, but I'm really not exaggerating when I say I really like them, and I'm really impressed. Like this first coat of Box Office Bomb, it is not too bad. Once again, it's a little bit more on the extra sheer side, just like the yellow high def color. But you know, I'm Dutch, I love orange, and I don't know, I think it's a really nice color. And for some reason my camera really had issues focusing on these colors. I think it is because they are just really bright, and cameras tend to have like some like technical difficulties when it comes to super bright colors. So sorry if sometimes it is a little bit out of focus. I try to like cut the footage as well as I could in the tiny like time square that I had to do so, to actually get this video up for this Sunday. But yeah, Box Office Bomb, gorgeous orange, gorgeous holographic glitter in all of these colors. Here you can see an overview of all 5 shades on my own nails. Let me know what color is your favorite. Personally, of course, I am into the pink, but to be honest, all colors are really gorgeous and work well together too. I think it's a really nice collection for summer. I'm really happy with it, but yeah. Let me know if you have purchased this collection yourself too and what you think about it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.